Okay, so in this question, a clothing store buys sweaters for $19 and then we have a couple of discounts. We have an overhead cost and we have a profit. And the A part of the question asks us to find the selling price. The first thing I'm going to do in this question is I'm going to find the cost. So my cost is going to equal to $19. And then I have to subtract the first discount of 25%. So 25% would be 0.25 times my cost of 19, which is $4.75. So I'm going to subtract my first discount of 4.75. I will end up with 14.25. Okay, once I have this 14.25, again, I'm going to subtract my second discount of 29.1 over 3%. From this 14.25, I'm going to subtract whatever corresponds to 29.1 over 3. So 29.1 over 3 is 0.2933. Then I'm going to multiply that with my new cost of 14.25 to find my second discount. So 4.18. I'm going to subtract that 4.18 which gives me 10.07. Okay, so I know my cost is 10.07 after the two discounts. Next, I can find my overhead, which is 39% off cost. So overhead equals to 39%, which is 0.39 times my cost of 10.07. Which is 3.93. And then in the question it says profit is 31 over 3% of cost. So you know that profit equals to 30.33, I guess 0.3033, convert that to a rate, times cost, which is 10.07. Which is $3.05. I know my profit, I know my overhead cost, and I know my regular cost. I can find my selling price now. So I'm going to do total profit equals to total revenue minus total cost. My total profit is 3.05. My total revenue, I'm trying to find that. My total cost is my regular cost of 10.07 plus my overhead cost of 3.93. Then I'm going to add 14 on the other side. So I know my total revenue equals to $17.05. So basically my selling price is $17.05. That's the solution to the A part of the question. In the B part of the question, they ask us to find the markdown to break even. So we're going to have to use some of our solutions from the A part of the question to figure that out. So we know it's a markdown question, so we have cost minus markdown should equal to our selling price. Okay, if we look back to this first part of the question, we know that our selling price was initially 17.05. So we have a value of 17.05. We're going to mark that down by a certain amount. So our cost is 17.05. We're going to subtract some kind of markdown or discount, and that should give us our selling price, which we want to match to our overall expenses because we want to break even. So we know that we're going to make that equal to our 14, which is our total cost over here, basically our regular cost plus our overhead expenses. So again, if you're reading the question, you're trying to find the markdown to break even. We know our starting price is 17.05. We know that we mark that down by a certain amount, we should equal to our costs because we want to break even. From solving this, negative markdown equals to negative 3.05. So markdown should equal to 3.05. And this makes complete sense because it should match the exact amount of profit that you had in the A part of the question. Basically, if you take away the profit of 3.05, if you mark it down by 3.05, you'll have no more profit. You will break even. C part of the question, you're trying to find the rate of markdown. Again, not too difficult. You know your rate of markdown is just your markdown over your initial price, which is 17.05 times 100